6 years, girl.
6 years. Look,
20-hour drive from Connecticut. We are
you
being
ever been to Miami?
Miami
No,
yet.
me never come to
Event
Miami.
Queen.
Connecticut, me
Not well.
come and
Where
in
you
the
have number
Brooklyn
one
and
wife
the
the flu?
Bronx.
What's wrong with you, my dear? Come in. Where I go over TikTok or TikTok it up.
Me thought if it was at home, I swear to you, darling.
Then
Anything I want taught me is that means what you said. Hi, baby, you come from school early.
Yeah, this is the time I get out.
Okay. Yeah. Sometimes you have to favor one woman and sometimes you have to favor one man.
what them say them think you was a man?
You know I'm in business with them.
Tell them say you think them was a dog.
Sometimes you have to favor one woman and you have to favor one man. A man look today. Yeah, me cold in a house. Me a man.
Oh, do it eat you. Eat go both ways. So you eat do me and do it eat your dirty blood clot. You can do it now, look you do it never.
Why say? They a man.
Eat do it because me and him reunited. You know, the one me and him for the internet and tear down with one another. And eat to one another for life. And God just change the throne for a dirty, nasty, ugly blood.
Lord, Lord. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man, big up everybody. And me, I big up all of the haters, them too.
Then I must.
I mean, I carry them with me. Me never carry them last year, and this year was. You switch part me there, Connecticut, and me make sure me not carry none with me.
Yeah, man, them for stay home, man. Don't carry them even, but them stay with them there. Them not have no behavior. Stand on the yard. Yeah.
Man, blessings I flow like a river. Me not see bad comments, you know. Yeah, man, I'm a good man. Me I spend some time with my family, them. Yeah. 'Cause a long time, them not see me.
Sure. Me not change, so no come kill blood clot. Me come, me not change. You go. Who you? Come stuff up in my stuff up here, girl, and stifle out my stifle out. And bite out my bite out. And name out my name out. Out! That's too annoying.
My pumps the tongue.
Oh,
Right now, I put them my tongue and say it cold.
you pussy top. I can't believe I come back to England so cold to pussy. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Cut and curry. Keeping up with the double PA. Cut and curry. What you ask you who are in your business? Who are in your business? Is it?
Man.
Play Reunited. You and do it song for the haters. Reunited. I'm excited. Do it.
I left one of my son there to run my business. I mean. One of my
No,
son, my second.
no, you can't take me from doing
My
it. That deal.
second.
Nobody can take me from doing it. Till that door spot. Tasha ever blessed. Hot girl, Tasha Saji girl. Tasha. Tasha, we're going good girl. What's going on in London, fam? See you out and about sexy hot as always. He's a hot girl, top girl, never black girl, topper. Tasha, ever. You them boy have a scarf in the house. You say, please fucking cold.
Them look, you never met draw. I want them draws my bar have it on my neck.
I said, I love you. Deb. Hello. Nothing now go on in a London, man. Trust me, things are going everywhere. Anyway, you go, just have to make the best of it, darling. Life come with all start. You hear that? You like my nails?
I think I'm business with them. I'm not business with them. I don't, and them know I'm not business with them.
Tasha, I'm 4 months today. Jamaica, the girl. I may tell a girl, me never expect the format run out so fast
I
and easy.
church them come up here.
I I when me left. Oh, you come after me.
Yeah, I when come Tuesday.
Me left Monday. Reach Tuesday. Oh, and 2 days after you got America. Me say me happy face if I car. Yeah, man, take a little break. East Coast, is it? I am in New York. Wow, New York, you know that? So nobody know the Connecticut. I just be in New York. Mr. Scarlett is playing game. He's a game head. I'm coming soon. UK soon. Got to go see him. Cause of VP. Okay. How it is?
Tibet, I'm in Brooklyn.
Urkel.
Me I go to Brooklyn one of them day and my family. Me I go another Brooklyn and me I go in the Bronx. Yeah. Me there, you know.
You can't mind me. I'm now
Come
one.
on, me
Yeah,
there.
I am
Cool.
and
Me,
if I'm in Brooklyn, that's the should have Brooklyn.
yeah.
Come on, Brooklyn. Watch out, one more Brooklyn. CT is close to New York. Connecticut, that close to New York. Tell Dewey add me. Add your power, Urkel. Dewey I play a game. He's playing game. Oh, the world is at the game. You can't people ban the game that do it.
Me I come Queen.
Oh,
Yeah,
but I'm not know
man.
your name, Urkel, so add it.
At them place because me and my friend them are Queens and Brooklyn and in the Bronx.
I don't know nothing about doing them PlayStation and nine like what. All 6 hours, I'm going to sit down there for 10 hours. I'm not sure what to do it now.
Oh,
Nice that I am in New York, in Queens. It's Dr. B. Dr. B, are you this? Medical
I come to Brooklyn get
Park,
my Connecticut.
Queens.
Come. I
Okay, that's Dr. B. All right, Dr. B, me pin you something. Right, crazy is gonna add gonna Dr. D BMC there. Tell him what his name. What your name, Urkel? I am foreign. Make me link if me foreign or not there. I'm foreign with a girl. My husband do the same thing at the arm box. Yeah. Hours. Sleep, wake up, drop asleep, do it in the game. And guess
would
what? Me
never
can't play the game.
all you
I can't play the game for help him. But you never
Ricardo.
bring back all the goodies. I did, you
All
know.
right, me yeah,
You love
him there.
Ricardo for me, Yvette. Yvette Sassy, Cardell, if you wake up, you love Ricardo.
Tell him up. Me just chat to him
My
too.
cat, my goodies, you know, we gotta be having some nice weather in the days of
Hey,
Brooklyn. Link me for 60 that.
I
Hi,
never
Yvette. You're
Connecticut.
right, crazy.
With
So there is
Connecticut
medical
here.
spa. That's Dr. B. Anything to do with the face and the what Dr. B specialize in. If you go over our page and you can see all the specialty, okay? It's Coney. I only am Coney. No, I'm a cat. My goodies them, man. I bring up 9 dozen party. I bring up me something. Them. I just couldn't bother with the public. You understand? May I heal, may I rebuild myself. So them cuss me and anger me like dog and shit pit. Me sick and them anger me so me just say move them dirty because my post are limited. So like me not come for Instagram. Do not make anyone draw you out. That's you cause. God is big us out of the sickness. Please don't follow them. No good people. Good. God bless you. Queenie, make me link. You can come up
From
for
small.
the Jamaica. Okay, Sassy. Dr. B, send your number. Dr. B, see somebody ask your number, then, my darling. Come on, Queenie, let me pray against you on the profile. What does that mean? Come on, Queenie, let me play, PLAY, play against you on the profile. What do you mean by that? Reading everybody cover.
Me
You
have
see,
a
me
do a
can't
long
read.
time, you know.
When more I read, me can't read.
Yeah, me have
From
do a long time.
Portsmouth. Sassy Cardell from Portsmouth. You know who, Yvette?
Who?
Oh gosh, not his What is not fair? MPR. What's not fair? Hi, Queenie. Who can help me out to come foreign? Oh, Sassy come
Oh,
foreign.
Black
It's not
Queen.
easy, baby. I just have to take a
Me I
chance
come
and go do it.
out Queens, the man.
Hope you're okay. We've been me hide from the internet. Move on a dirty blood. One Queenie. Number one wife and you sick. Ah! 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 It's not you
Oh,
sick.
Connie, what? Me I read, but me never see say you. Big up yourself.
You go visit Sikaram in prison.
Yeah, me
But
left your fire
DM
over.
me a
I
Queenie in a
name
V.
Cassie.
If you go
Okay,
visit him, I will come. Put me upon the
one
visit.
Connie, no worry yourself.
My glasses fit, man.
Yeah, man,
Thank you.
me just come chill out a
All
month.
the
Maybe,
good is.
maybe
Me bring up
two.
all of the relevant something them for me, man. Me still
No,
have
so
fatigue.
if you sit down one
I
month,
couldn't bother with the
one
pump.
month in a house, nah, do nothing. It's not easy still. I'm not used to
You
them
was at
something
my
there.
mom's birthday party, Sassy. Sassy cry.
Yes, I run a mother where she live crazy.
Yeah,
I miss
but
walk
me
after
glad
and a
you
Connie,
sick too.
Connie.
May I go over TikTok now when I come out for this?
Mm-hmm.
Lady limit to happen. Come and cook over TikTok if you can play some game.
All right, when you doing?
So right crazy is when I go into the medical spa and I can't get any medical treatment. I'm sorry, I can't go America go follow and come go get some. Follow back on my husband like
Yeah,
a butler.
man, big up yourself.
And come get some
When you
partial
doing over TikTok?
treatment.
Yeah, well, go over
You
TikTok.
come. Alright, I could go over TikTok for
All
this.
right, love you guys. See you
See
on
you.
TikTok.
Mwah. Bye, Dr. B, Lady Limit, Blessed Love, all Mariah Crazy them later. TikTok where I go. Yvette, come over TikTok.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we are easy
Sister
do.
tell a Queen 250. Watch her, you know me
That
some
is
let your family take out and explore. New York will have fun. Don't come to New York, just sit down in the house. You hear that do it, Yvette? Why am I calling do it name?
where say?
Make it go explore New York. You're just looking at the house. I want to go to
Yeah, man, them carry me out when them
acupuncture.
now work.
You want to do the acupuncture? Oh, good thing you tell me. I gotta put it back on our picture, on our something and promote her. Yeah, man, it good, is it, darling? Me say me this asleep. It's good, it's good, yeah? Yeah, man, go in our day, man, day, man. And I go and go get the treatment. And she massage you as well, you know, just get acupuncture. You get the nice massage with her. And then, woo, me just sleep
Yeah, man,
comfortable.
them
All
take
right,
me out, man, them now work. I
come.
want